Now, hi students. So I see Pierce has posted up on your engaged community uh, the locations where he wants you to do the 1:5 details, and he refers to call out details from the 1:20s. So I'm going to show you how to organize that on our model here. Okay. So, starting off with the 1:20 wall sections, and we're going to need a wall section through here. We're going to need a wall section through here, and we're going to need a wall section over here as well. And I make a distinct difference between building sections and wall sections. You can see that we've got a couple of wall sections in here already, so they go right through from one end of the building to the other. So creating wall sections go up into your plan here, and let's hit the section there. Now hit the drop down box here, and you'll see that on your properties here, you've got a choice between building section and wall section. Okay, so we're going to purposefully pick wall section, and I'm going to drop in my first wall section here. Okay, this is the view box, so I'm going to drag the view box right out there so I can see what's happening over there. We're going to do that again, second wall section, and it's going to go through that grid line there because I wanted to come up through the vertical section and the north light glazing. And again, I'm going to pull that right through to there, and we're going to do that one more time. I'm going to take it in around here somewhere. Okay, and pull that right through there as well. Now, if you come over to the property browser, the project browser here, you'll see that under the question marks now I've got these sections here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename these, and this is going to be called wall section, and it's going to be called wall section 01. Okay. Second, we'll do this one. Rename. Two. And rename. Section 03. Okay. Now I'm going to place these. I'm going to take them out of the question marks here. I'm going to place them into this subcategory here. And the way I do that is to highlight each one, go up to the properties here, scroll down to the bottom where you've got your view cat, which is WIP, and your view subcat, which is wall sections, and in they go there. Now you know where to find these. All right. So let's open these up. Wall sections like so. And we're going to change this to a scale of 1:20 straight away. So I'm going to just tailor these a little bit with the crop box like so. Let's do wall section. Sorry, that's not view. We want wall section 02. And again, 1 is to 20. And this up like so. And down like so. That's fine. I'm going to switch off the crop box there. And final one, wall section 3, and again 1 is to 20. So like so, and we'll turn off the crop box there. Now I'm going to organize these on a sheet straight away. So I'm going up to my sheets and I'll do a new sheet. I think these will fit on the vert. I'm going to try the vert here. So pick that, turn off the grid. All right. Now let's drag these across. Let's drag these views. So there's section 1, like so. Section 2, like so, and section 3, like so. Perfect. Okay, sections 1, 2, and 3. Pick each one of these here, and I'll change that to I prefer that title no line with detail ref. The detail ref is important. All right. Now, so let's just take a look at that sheet. All right. Now, let's just go back to Pierce's diagram here. So he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So let's do that now. So from your wall sections, so here's wall section 1, and okay, that is over the other side there. So we're going to do our call outs from these rectangle, and I'd say Pierce, what he's interested here is in that threshold detail. So what happens at this point here? Okay, and then we're going to do. He's not done the capping, so I'm going to include that in this one here as well. I think that capping will be an interesting detail to explore. Okay, so that's that one. And you can see here are callouts coming in here associated with section 1. So we're going into section 2 now. And we're going to do our callouts here. And this is the one he's interested in here. Is your gutter arrangement there. And then the capping up on top here as well. So do our call out there. Okay, and I'll just drag that. So this is the tag for the call out, and they're very important in terms of coordinating information. And then we'll do our section 3 here, and we've done the capping already. So I'm going to do this one and this one down here. Okay. Now, so if you look at our project browser now, you'll see that we've got our wall sections and our callouts. But I'm going to move the callouts into another subcategory here, and I don't think I've got a subcategories, which is good. So I'm going to show you how to make this. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to select that one, and I'm going to make a new one. So this is going to be 07 underscore call out details. Now let's do that underscore there. Okay, apply, and that's that one. So I'll pick this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I'm going to move them all into that call out details in there. Okay, so there's our wall sections here, and here's our call out details there. Now, if you can get that far, that's great. That's your wall sections and your callouts organized in the project browser. And perhaps the last thing for this particular video is I'm going to do a new sheet. I'll do the vert. I'm going to do the vert again, I think this time. Again, select, turn off the grid here. Now let's drag our callouts. You might be doing a couple of sheets of these if these are at 1:5. All right. So let's just activate that view, and 1:5. These are very big. Deactivate the view. Okay, so we might get 2 on here if we're doing well. Okay, and let's do this one. So it would be nice if we could get 2 per sheet. Activate the view, and is that to 1:5? Deactivate the view, and let's get this organized here. Yeah, so that's not bad there now. Move that one across. We can do a little bit of editing with each of those. And so, all right. Now, just going to activate that view. Turn off the crop box and deactivate. And then I'll do the same here. Activate the view, turn off that crop box. The crop box doesn't plot, but it visually annoys me. So I like to have it there. Now, so there's your 2 details from wall section 1. And so you're going to set up 2 more sheets with the other callouts on those as well. And I will show you how we're going to go about tackling the detail on these in another video.